Hi everyone. Good evening to all of you. Today I'm going to talk about a beauty concern, that is dry skin. Skin has four types: dry skin, oily skin, normal skin, and a combination skin. Skin has three layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Dry skin, what is this actually? The epidermis loses its humidity and sebum, that is called a dry skin. So when we have a dry skin, it's really itchy and sometimes scaling and painful sometimes. And in more severe cases, sometimes fissures appear and wrinkles comes very easily, very prominent. And it's really a problem for ladies to have a dry skin. In healthy young individuals, the moisture and the sebum content, they can maintain that level very easily. But with getting age, the maintaining of this process getting lower and lower. The skin barrier properties, the function of this skin barrier disturbed by several factors, various factors, and that leads to go for dry skin. So today we are going to discuss how the dry skin happened and what are the common methods that we can use to prevent dry skin, and what are the foods and the habits that you have to follow to get a glow in this dry skin. So let's go back to it. The barrier function of the skin is made out of corneocytes and hyaluronic acid. Combine these two, we make an even skin. And within the dermis, there are collagen and elastin proteins that make a even and a very nourished, very flexible skin to us. So if we disturb this skin barrier, the dry skin appears. So what are the common causes? As we all know, in winter, there are less humidity in the environment, so the dry skin appear. And in deserts, the temperature is lower and temperature getting higher and higher and so on, and the humidity getting very low. So again, the dry skin appear. And we all know the skin pH level is balanced, always in a very balanced level, 4.5 to 5.75 level. If you use some harsh products for your skin, that are detergents maybe and deodorants maybe and some products also maybe, sometimes soaps, antibiotic soaps and bathing soaps also, the pH level sometimes goes for alkaline. So our pH balance is disturbed and the humidity and the sebum we lost from their skin. And if you shower every day with hot water, that is not suitable for your skin. That is also the skin, the fatty layer of the skin will dissolve and it get lost the moisture and the sebum content. And if you are wearing so tight clothes to your body, that is also a reason to lose your natural moisturizing factor and the fat layer of the fatty layer of the surface of your skin. And also, there are some diseases, especially kidney diseases and renal end stage of renal disease, like these patients get more prone to get dry skin, and also diabetics. And diabetes patients often get very itching sensation on their skin. And these are the most common conditions. And I have to remind, and if you work in a very hot climate, that in a near to a stove and near to a fireplace, your dry skin appear very easily. And the UV rays, if you work in a place where in a open area, which is you are more prone to get UV rays. The UV rays normally penetrate epidermis and the dermis level also. In the dermis, collagen and elastin, there are proteins, they are damaged by these UV rays, and the wrinkles easily appear when you are exposed to more UV rays, and the wrinkles and fine lines will be appear very soon if you more prone to exposed to the UV rays. So let's discuss how to prevent this dry skin condition. Cleansing process is very important in your home. Use a hyaluronic acid containing cleansers to cleanse your face. Hyaluronic acid is a good chemical that is it's an ingredient of the natural moisturizing factor of our skin. If you loses the hyaluronic acid, the dry skin is more prone to get you. And if you cleanse it with hyaluronic acid, it will nourish your skin and it will soothing and it will cooling and soothing effect of this hyaluronic acid is very important to balance, to rebalance that your lost natural moisturizing factor. And don't use the deep cleansers, and if you deep cleanser again your sebum level will be decreased in the skin. Then as a scrubber, ultrasonic spatula, we can use it. Now we all know that it's more available as a home use product. So we can use that spatula to scrub the face and nearly once a week, that is okay. Then normally the dry skin, they contain more tight, the dead cells uh, always be there on the surface of the skin that is too tight. So that ultrasonic scrubber, that is very important. It's very useful to scrub in and remove this dead skin layer. So as a mask, again I'm telling that the hyaluronic acid is more important because it nourishes you and it gives you the water content to your skin for dry skin. So use more hyaluronic acid containing face mask, and lactic acid is also very good, tartaric acid, and those are the most compositions that you have to get in a product. So use for as a face mask also. Then you can use a red light and the potent light that is also very common now, and as a red light to stimulate your collagen and elastin levels in your face. So you can, after the face mask, you can use boosting, that's as a booster, just a red light for your skin. And not only these external preparations, but also you have to follow the internal good healthy diet for glowing your dry skin. The first thing that you have to drink more water. That is the first thing. If you have a dry skin, you have to get nourish your inner body also. Then you can eat more fatty acid, that omega-3 fatty acid containing foods, that nuts and fish more often. Then avocado is a very good food for getting more nourished to your skin, and it get more moisture and fat, lot of fatty acid, very good for skin. And the zinc containing foods, that is really important for the nuts and the small fish that contain in zinc, that is very important for your dry skin to maintain, to get a glow in your skin. And with drinking more water and with these habits, and you can maintain your skin levels very good to have a glow in your dry skin. So dry skin is no more, I think, no more issue for you. You can follow these health tips, and you can follow these beauty tips to get a glow in your dry skin. I think you got a good idea about how to maintain your dry skin and get a glow in your skin. So, today I'm going to finish my session and see you in a very useful and a very important session with you. Thank you very much.